Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix developer mode on iPhone. First of all, you will need to go and open settings. In the settings, you will see that you have privacy and security down there. So we need to click on that one in case to fix this one. You'll go on the end and you'll see the lockdown mode. Here you will turn on lockdown mode, and after that it will request you to restart the iPhone. As you can see, we will have an app to connect it with a cable, and it's Tenor Share. You need to download this one in your PC so you can connect with a cable with your iPhone. So here it is, that's the name of the website, and it will get automatically connected. If this video has helped you, please click on like and subscribe button so we can see you in our next video. Thank you.